Hey, I'm Connally Gilliam.
And I'm Paula Rinehart, co-authors of And Yet Undaunted, Embraced by the Goodness of God in the Chaos of Life.
We are so glad that you've decided to join us for this video series. Hi, Paula and I are so glad that you have read our book and you have decided to journey through these videos and these questions with us. And we hope that these videos will prime the pump of your reflection and discussion. And we hope that really such reflection and discussion will leave you far more deeply grounded in your faith in Jesus Christ. That you will gain a far deeper, stronger, richer sense of His loving presence, the sweeping scope of the whole big story of the gospel, the good news of Jesus Christ, of creation, fall, redemption, restoration, how life ought to be, how it is, how it can be, and how it will be. And that lastly, you will see yourselves and the particulars of your story, your heart, your life, within the beauty of God's big story.
That is so true. That's really what we long for. But we would tell you honestly that everywhere we turn these days, there are doubts, nibbling at people's heels like a small pack of dogs, threatening to eat up people's faith, really. And Connally and I actually believe more than ever that the good news of Jesus Christ really is good news.
As you lay hold of the bigness of this good news, of the larger story, and its author lays hold of you, you will find yourself standing on more solid ground, even amid chaos. The big gospel story holds our smaller, personal, very real stories. Even when life is hard, even when it doesn't go according to script, the larger story reminds us, it reminds you that God and His intentions for us are good.